Suchao. I don't know if these are the right chords, but this is how I played it at the Baptist Revival. All the chords you need is a D, spinning, E minor, an E minor, sorry, an A, and you need a G. So, okay. Beginning is pretty simple. It's just I don't have the lyrics with me, but so I'm gonna hum along. It goes that's what I love for me this morning. Sorry. The chord, and then the second verse is the same. The chorus is A, E minor, A, D. So I'm gonna try to play along with the track. Oh yeah, the intro for the song. It's a D. You hold that D. All you gotta do is like down here, you pluck the D string. That's the third string from the top. Just work your way down.
오치가 클런치고 두치 여치 먹고 년다고 이샤 굴러낸 요치 쇼발레노 구퍼퍼커 구오거차